Hi there, Chris here. I have another challenge lock sent to me by Thumper. This is Creampie by K1Locks. It's on a Defiant keyway, which is essentially quick set. There's the bitting on the key. Let's see if I can get into this guy. Top the keyway, do a little pin tickling here. Looks like that's overset, but oh, there we go. Okay, one feels good. Two, that deep low one feels okay, I think. Need something deep to get around this guy in the middle. So I'm going to use the pick that Doug loves so much. It's a great pick. It's the Penny designed hybrid teardrop, something like that. It will get you in the back and around a very low pin. Get some counter back there. And I think I used it up. All right, there we go. Let's see if we can get this. All right, where's my baby pick? I do better with that. Just snag that little guy down. Hey, give me my pick back. Or not. I am in a hurry. I'm going to take my friend Jenny's dog to the vet to get his bandage changed, but he's doing great. So my problem is that I'm in a hurry. That's why I'm not doing this well. Don't I always have an excuse? I think we're gonna get it. All right. Don't shove that out. There's the spring. I'll put in the key. Oh, I turned it 180. Dagnabbit. All right, what do? We do this to try and get it back. Guess I could have left it there. All right, back on track. Ooh, okay, this is what the core looks like. Threading in, well, it's undercut in 1, threading in 2, threading in 3, undercut in 4, and nothing on 5. 5, 4, 3, whoa. 2, standard. 1, standard. And this guy went like that. Well, you get the idea. So those are the key pins. These need to be turned around. And here are the drivers. Do this real quick. Whoa, one is a pin and pin. Very nice. These are great pins, I have to say. Steel spring. That's a strong spring on number 2. Well, I guess one was pretty strong too. Both steel. That's number 3. These are definitely not out of a Defiant, these springs. Here's number 4, nice spool. Come on, babe, I know you want to come out. You're right there. Different spring. And number 5 is a nice little T-guy. And a steel spring. If it'll come out. There it is. Ooh, it has a little bit of oomph to it. I don't think there's anything upstairs that was done. I don't see anything. There may be some adjustments were made. Let's hold this up. This was Creampie by K1Locks. It's the first K1Locks challenge lock I've ever picked, I believe. There's the key. Thank you, Thumper, for sending me that. Hit the like, subscribe, certainly leave a comment. Thank you to all the people who watch and comment and support. And we will see you next time.